Let's make your lady cry. Hi, I'm Timothy Sands, and this is Fashionable Father. If you're one of the lucky ones and have subscribed early and have joined me on this journey, welcome back. If you're new here, subscribe if you're so inclined. We have lots of videos about fashion, about fatherhood, and yes, today we're going to talk about how we can make your lady cry. Not in a mean way, in a good way. So what is the first thing people tell you when you're having a child? Even after you have your child? Is it catch up on your sleep, which is just really ridiculous because sleep is not a currency and you can't store it away. There is no catching up on sleep. Is it diapers are expensive? Yeah, maybe. People talk about diapers. I don't know why. Yeah, we pay for diapers. Now, the number one thing that people tell you, even after you've had your child, the number one thing they tell you is...
It's crazy how fast you go from I can lay her safely on her back in the living room to I'm chasing her headlong towards the stairs. Feels like about 10 minutes.
It's crazy how fast time flies. When we brought her home from the hospital, she was only 7 pounds 1 ounce, and now she's probably closer to 17 pounds.
You know, the pictures, I can't believe how small she was, 8 months ago, 9 months ago, and then she got bigger and bigger and bigger, and then she was rolling, and then she was crawling, and then now she's standing. And
it does go fast because everyone keeps asking how old is she, and I keep have to checking. Oh yeah, she's 7 months now. Oh, she's gonna be 8 months soon, and we're waiting for her to say her first words. I guess it does go fast.
But one of the things I was not prepared for is how fast my kids have grown up. Now you have those memories that show up in your Facebook feed and you're like, man, that was 7 years ago. Where has the time gone?
Yeah. It goes quick. March 14th. Maggie doesn't like this crowd. How do you like that egg salad? Oh, did you just fart? Arthur. What are you doing? You just kicking it?
A big doof?
Yes. My daddy.
Yeah, it's daddy.
It's horse.
Yeah, he's got a horse.
Yeah. So it goes quick. So to be perfectly honest, this is how my wife might have made me cry. But I'd like to think, if I was smart enough, I would have done the same thing because she cheated. She cheated by buying me this amazing gift for Christmas. This is a Hooray Heroes personalized book. And she was smart because when I was opening it, she had the camera ready and going while I was doing such. By the way, this in no way is a sponsored video. I just like this product and I am thoroughly impressed by it. Okay, so the art in this thing is fantastic. It's very engaging and it's perfect for not only you, but also your kid. I imagine they've done a really good job being able to easily customize it for each child. but that doesn't lessen the quality at all. Yeah, so the art is amazing. Quality of the book cover and the build is of high quality, and it seems like it will last a long time. That's the other thing. I feel like as much as it is for your child, it is for the parents, because that's the magic of this thing. They even kill it in the packaging department. The box, the display, how you open it, it actually makes the gift giving process that much more fun, because the reveal is extremely heartwarming. Megan got me the Christmas edition, so it even has a board game on the back, which makes you want to keep the box, which again, we're always about trying to get rid of the box, but this is it's just too cool. So the one Megan got me is about what he will be when he grows up, which is such a reminder about the passage of time. Megan and I were talking about this the other day, and we realized that why does this have such an effect on you as a parent? And I think it's because as adults, we have so little happen in a year, or even 2 years can go by and not a lot changes. But when you have a child, you see so much happen and so much changes, and you think, oh my God, this is amazing. And then in a few months, he's that much bigger. He's that much older. He's hitting a milestone. He's saying his first word. He's eating solid foods. And all this stuff just reminds you that time is just slipping away. So the only thing you can really do is just enjoy those moments. Just take the time to enjoy those moments, because they are temporary and they will go away. And like anything in life, change is inevitable. So live in the now. Don't worry about items as much. Make memories, because those will stay with you. Those are what create the joy in our lives. So fill it up. Fill it up with joy, fill it up with memories, fill it up with those experiences with those kids, right? And I really do think this book is a fantastic reminder. And if you want to make your wife cry, get her one of these books. Make sure the camera's running when she opens it. And especially as a gift, because I think she will be absolutely enamored with not only you wanting to give her that gift, but also the gift itself. So, my name is Timothy Sands. This is my story of fashion and fatherhood. Like the video if you got any value from this amazing trick on how to make your wife cry. And subscribe if you're so inclined. I have a lot of videos I upload every week, and I'm enjoying this journey so far. Thank you, everyone. Oh, and always remember, style first. Mommy's excited about this one.
It's the actual tin.
It's a book? Is it a personalized book?
Give it to Daddy. Give it to Daddy.
Oh, I gotta see this.
We have to open it.
Yeah, we gotta open it, bud.
That's you
Look,
and Daddy.
Arthur.
That's you, buddy.
Yeah, it's a book about you. Oh, this is cool. Look.
Arthur when Arthur grows up. Read it.